Hello ma'am, my name is Dhruv Thakur and my ID number is 18IT136. In this presentation of SGP subject, I have built a project which is based on the React.js, and the definition of my project is Google Docs built using React.js and Firebase. It is basically the clone of Google document, and I have I have created this by using React.js and Firebase. So the technology, the technologies used in this project, which is React.js for the front end, and Next.js for also Next.js is also for front end type of uh, uh, user framework application, and Taiwan CSS, which I have used in this project, and also Material UI. Uh, it is basically the combination of both, and I have used the database of Firebase and Firestore real time, and the this Nextdot is used for the authentication for Next.js application, and the Draft.js, which is used to create, update, and delete the document, which we are which is used to create and write the document or anything else. And so these are the technologies which I have used in these applications, and the functionalities of these applications, which is we can directly log in or log out or sign up via Google Authentication. So first it will show the home page of the applications like this, and by clicking on login page, it will show all the accounts which are logged in our computer, and and we can directly click on them by uh, to log in this application. So we can the functionality is Google Authentication, sign in, sign up, and log out. And also we can write the document by creating new document, and also it will save automatically on the Firestore database. So we don't need to save again and again after writing document. Let's say if we are working on the rural area, and in that condition electricity is the major problem, then or let's say if we don't have battery in our computer or laptop enough, and we are writing document which is not saving directly like Word. So this application will help to those users which directly save our document on the cloud Firestore database. And also we can update a document using Draft.js framework. So these are the main functionalities of this application. So let's see the demo of this application. So this is basically the home page of the application. So first it will redirect to login page via Next or framework of the Next.js, and here we can click on login, sign in with Google. So we can see all the accounts which are used in this computer. So by clicking on any of the account, we can directly log into our project. So this is the project ID of our project. So let's say we are signing with with my Charuset email ID. So here it is the home page of the application. Here the image is directly fetched from the Google Authentication, our profile DP of our email account, and we can see the documents which are listed, which we have created on date with timestamp. It will be directly fetched from our Firebase cloud store. Here we can see Firestore database, and in these accounts, sessions, user docs, and users. So in this account, all the accounts which are uh, logged in our application are listed here. In session, it will show the which which user logged in right now, and in user docs it will show the corresponding documents related to the accounts. So here these three accounts of mine are listed, and in this we can see docs, and in docs we can see all the documents which we have created based on timestamp and and the document of that application. So all the data are fetched from the cloud Firestore database. So if we want to update our document which we have created on the 16th, I think September. So let's click on this document. So this will fetch this document from directly, and let's say if we want to add something, so this is automatically saved on our Firestore database. And if you want to back from the document, then simply click on this, and let's see the document is saved or not. So again click on that document, and we can see that this is automatically saved by without saving any document. We can also uh, use some of the emojis. uh, Basically these are all functionalities by of writing, bolding, coloring. This is the work of the Draft.js, which is used to write document of any like Word. And we can also change the size and font style, and also we can create a list or anything else. This is the main functionality of Draft.js. And we can also create new document by clicking on blank. Let's say we want to create document 1. So create, it will create our document here. So this will be created, and let's say if we want to write anything, 189136. So we can increase font size. We can also color them. So this is directly saved on the Firestore database. We can also see 189136 docs here. So we can see here my name is Dhruv. Okay, this is the our document. Let's say if we want to write anything, so you can see here directly. Here you can see my name is Dhruv. It is directly fetching data in real time, so we don't need to save document again and again. You can see and by clicking this document we can back to the home page and again click on that, and we can see all the documents which are being saved on the Firestore database. So this is the main working of this project, and we can also logging out by clicking on this image icon. Let's say if you want to log out, then just click on this, and we are redirecting to the login page. We can also log logged in via new email ID, so that we can see all the documents which we have created. So here you can see all the documents by date wise. We can see all that. Here we can also add the image by simply pasting the URL of that image. Here you can see all the main functionalities which we are using on Word. So that's all. That is it from my side. Basically, the fun fact of this uh, main purpose behind creating this project is that we how the Word document, how the Word application is working, and how it is being built using React.js and other technologies, which is Next.js and Next authentication framework of the Next.js, and also Taiwan CSS and all that stuff, and how the document are being stored to the database. So this is the purpose of these applications. So thank you, thank you.